Let's go down the hard line. Oh shit. Oh boy. Oh no, 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 God. Oh shit. Oh God, come on. We are lost. This is not the way, folks. Hey there, RC Girl here. Today we're going on a little adventure. We're going to be maiden running the Axial SCX10 III Basecamp Builder's Kit. This is my Mando build, or the Mandocamp I'm calling it. Remember the truck I built 2 weeks ago, still haven't run? Yeah, that's this one. Today we're going to hopefully find some suitable terrain. My goal with this build really was to make one of my most capable crawlers. So today we're definitely gonna test that out and see how it performs. All right, let's take it away. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm all about helping people grow in the remote control hobby. So if you don't want to miss my next video, make sure to subscribe. If you guys missed my full review, I will put a link to that video up here. You can check out the full build process and how this all came together. This was built from a kit, the Axial SCX10 III Builder's Kit, and I did some custom graphics, the Mandalorian theme, added some 1.9 size Hyrax tires. I also have a Hobby Wing motor ESC combo, bringing our little programming card so we can make changes out in the field. But yeah, let's take it away. All right. Nice. Super good. Sweet. All right, let's go do the hike. Wow, no, buddy. Cool. Sweet. I don't know if we're actually like on the trail or... Ooh, some rocks over there. We are lost. I thought there was a trail, and there actually is not a trail. Parked way up there. And we're trying to get down there. Look how cool that little rock feature looks, but there's like not a path. My butt is dirty. Slid down on my butt. Let's get out of here. Yeah, this is where we slid down. Okay, I think we found a spot. Sweaty, dirty, but ready to run it. Found some rocks here. I think this will do. It's kind of covered in debris a little bit. Makes it hard. The sticks get in the wheels and stuff, but there are a bunch of rocks, so we're gonna give it a go and try and find some lines. So I made it back to the car, stepped in a puddle, slid down a hill. So is this the most capable crawler? Not yet. I think something's binding. here, like this is not engaged enough or it's too engaged. And it feels like dig is sort of between gears. So, frick. Let's go home, take a look inside, figure it out, come back out to another spot that's closer and less dangerous. All right, so we are back on the bench. I actually just figured out what it is. One thing I don't like about dig is that the positions are very precise. And so if you're out of that position, your wheels can lock up or unlock just by like millimeters. So what I need to do is I need to extend that arm because the position that it needs to be mounted in wants it kind of in between gears. Not good. So that's what was happening. So if we extend that arm, it should mount and be a little bit more compressed where we're in the right gear. Let's fix this and get back out on the trail. All right. Take freaking 2. So I actually turned up my steering a little bit too. And one of our wheels was actually almost coming off too. So good to do a little pit stop between runs. So we're actually going to a different spot today. A little closer, more of a trail actually. And right off the road. It's also a mountain bike trail. Just test out our drag brake settings, pretty good. Get a little bit of rolling there. Whee. Let's go down the hard line. We're actually gonna walk down the other way though. Oh shit. Oh boy. Oh no, 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 God. Oh shit. My hard work. Oh, my freaking hard work. Still alive. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Breaking away. Nice, come on, buddy. Yes, yeah. Sweet. I just needed 2 hands. Sweet. Sick. Ooh, sweaty. All right, so what do I think of the Mandocamp? Is it my most capable build? Well, I didn't really do a scientific study, so I can't say for sure, but I would say it probably is one of my most capable crawlers that I own. Well, it started off not so great. My first run, I got lost and my truck was kind of stuck between gears and the wheel was coming off and just all not good all around. Whoops, don't go off the cliff. And my second run, first little steep bit, and I freaking tumbled it off the hill. The hobby wing system, awesome. Might have to turn down our drag brake rate. I think the drag brake itself is really nice. Didn't have to really make any changes there. And you can see on that one last feature, it kind of just coasted down. Really nice. Sweet. Still have our side mirrors, kind of coming unglued a little bit. And another thing I would do on a crawler style build is spend less time on the body, that's for sure, because it's just gonna get beaten up. Oh God, come on. Body's getting all scratched up. So I think scale details, probably less important for this one. It's really sad to see all my hard work get all scratched up and tumbling down the hill. We have to get like a super basic body and put it on here. Nice. Little tap there. Really like the Hyrax tires. They did really good on sort of the loose dirt here. First time having them on a 1.9 rig, which is kind of cool. We did get a little bit of rubbing behind our fenders here, so we might have to trim that a little bit. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following the Mandocamp build. Hope you guys enjoyed the run footage. I had a ton of fun. Probably not my most successful run footage that I've gotten. Had a lot of mishaps, but that's how it goes sometimes. So, all right, make sure to subscribe. See you later.